Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. If you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trying to form a green candle today. Okay, I'll show you a 15-minute chart where you will understand how the price of natural gas has moved today. See, it made a low and gap down, and after that there is a continuous upside. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen a 15-minute candle has formed, but it is trying to sustain this particular low and it has not touched this level. Okay, this gap is already being filled, and now if you look at this trend, we have seen after filling this particular gap there is a continuous downfall and chances can be high for the fall we can see. Now look at a day-wise chart where you will understand clearly how the price of natural gas can move. Okay, so before I move ahead, you have to understand how the price of natural gas was moving so far. After making this zone, after breaking out of this zone, we have seen two highs, 3.5 and 3.6. Okay, and these highs, after that there is a continuous fall because profit booking has come at these levels. First of all at 3.5, and then this was the point where a bounce back will come. Mostly it comes because if there is a zone breakout, if it goes up, then from this bounce back comes and goes upside, and then a 3.6. After that there is a downfall. Okay, after this downfall, what we have seen, it made a low of around 2.2, and from there is a continuous fall. Looking at this particular chart, what you can see, suppose if the price fall below this level, we can see a further downfall we can see because there is a green candle is forming. So if it started going above this particular level, a level of around $2, then a further upside movement we can see, but chances are high we can see a further fall. If you look at the dollar index also, index is also going upside, and chances can be high that if it's trying to go above a level of $104.3, then a dollar index will rise, but the natural gas chances of falling further low will be there because natural gas and dollar index are inversely related. This is one of the factor I'm telling you for going natural gas down, and other factors are also there. If you want a detailed analysis and the factors and events which are affecting the natural gas prices, you can mail me, and then I'll the PDF also, and on a Telegram also, and a WhatsApp also, you can just let me know. Okay, I've given the mail IDs in the description, you can mail me regarding that. There is a continuous upside if the price keep moving above a level of 104.3. But if it's tried to go down below a level of $103.8, then further downfall we can see. But looking at this particular chart, what you can see, that natural gas price is trying to go upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1.8761. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that particular zone, we will see it will go above a level of $1.9023. Okay, once the price started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $1.998, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level, and it can cross a level of around $2.0342. Okay, this is the level, and once started going above that particular zone, a further upside we can see, and from there a probability of touching $2.1227 we can see, and if that level goes further upside, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.1683. $2.1683 is already being a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of 2.2531 will be there. Okay, and if that level goes upside, a further upside we can see towards $2.3762. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that particular zone, a further high we can see towards a level of $2.5. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we will see it will cross a level of around $2.6238, which is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it can go towards $2.8356. Okay, and if the price keep moving off that level, a further upside we can see towards $2.98, and from there it can cross a level of around $3.1207. There is a higher chances that as soon as started going above a level of $2.5, a further upside movement we can see, and from there is a chances that it can cross a level of $3.1207, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Look at this particular chart. Okay, what you can see looking at this particular chart, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, looking at this particular chart, continuous downfall is there, but if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, and if you have to set your SL, if you're setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you're saving your capital, you can take n number of trades, and then probability of winning is on a higher side. But once you started coming in profit, always try to trail your profit, and this trailing your profit will save you from a risk. Okay, and then build your confidence, you can take that profit home and things can be done. So if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1.8039. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $1.7812. Okay, if the price started falling below $1.78203, we can see a level of $1.650412. And if that level move further low, then a further downfall we can see towards a level of $1.5855. Okay, and this is the level if it started going below a level of 1.78 to a level of 1.58, and if the price moves below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $1.5342. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or give in the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, and once started going below a level of 1.53, a further downfall we can see. Now understand, overall trend is downside, chances of going further fall will be there. What once started sustaining out $2.12, a further upside we can see, but once started going up 2.5, then there is a trend towards an upside we can see, and then we can see it can cross a level of 3.1. Overall trend is downside, so the probability of moving further low we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or go in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like